Woo! Hey folks, this is Hexagonalspy the Spy, and we're coming to you live for a belated fireworks show, 26th birthday. I will explain to you a little bit, but right now fireworks are shooting off. Woo! Woo! Okay, sword. I got we managed to I got a surprise from my father and one of my stepdad's dad. They wanted to give me a 26th belated birthday gift, and to my surprise, they went ahead and bought the fireworks what they're supposed to get on this 4th of July. And this scenario, woo! So far, we got some of our first fathers shooting off cannonballs.
That's all right.
Woo! Here it comes. These two right here are my picks. Woo! Ha! Now that was cool. What'd you guys think? What'd you guys think so far?
Good. Good. Are you filming extreme?
Woo! There's another one. Boom! Apologies, good God, Green Earth, beloved United States of America. We missed your birthday, but kind of missed mine too, but we're both celebrating our belated birthdays for you. To those watching at home, get ready to watch our my belated 26th birthday fireworks show of what should have happened on this 4th of July. And this is the present gift that the others have gotten me. Woo! And I'm loving this gift. I'm loving it. Woo! Ah! Oh, and by the way, there's like a storm up ahead of us, but yeah, shouldn't be much of a problem. Here we go. Swing, da swing. And boy, do we have a surprise in store for you people that's watching at home. I was not expecting a fireworks show after 4th of July or after what happened on my but to one of my branches of trees have given me a birthday gift. Woo! Haha! While the other branch has already got the working and planning of the making. Are you guys liking this so far?
Oh, we love it!
Here it comes. Swing, bada, swing. Boom! Here comes another one. I'll be doing talk to talk of enjoying this fireworks in between. Woohoo! And believe me, this is nothing compared to the finale. Oh yeah, these are cannon fodders. They're the opening act. Alright, here goes another one. Woo! Here it comes. Boom! Another cannonball launch. Just like how things done in the 80s. Swing, bada bada, swing! Alright, Mother Nature, you shoot lightning, we shoot bombs! Alright, here it comes. Another bomb launch! Woo! Welcome to the sequel of Fireworks Show of 2022. And boom! Again, this is nothing but the opening act. A bunch of cannon folders. This is nothing. Damn right it isn't. Ooh, boom! Here it comes. Here's another. Boom! You got the touch. You got the power. All right, now the cannonball launch. Mother Nature's got lightning. We got bombs. The boom. This is how things done in America. And boom! Whoa! 3 birds with 1 bomb. How you guys liking this?
Oh my goodness, right.
I'm having a blast here. A little disappointed it could happen on the 4th of July, but this is great. This is beautiful. And boom! Ha! I just saw lightning in the horizon. Mother Nature's liking this as well. Whoa. Mother Nature and the back and the viewers at home is going to be embraced in beautiful glory in this open valley. Ha 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 ha! And she responded with lightning on the horizon. All right, here it comes, and boom! Bam! Boom, 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 boom! Ha 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 ha! All right. To those that's waiting for the next episode, don't worry. As soon as that it's uploaded, you'll be able to see it. That involves Ghost Recon Advanced Warfare 2. But until then, enjoy the show of the sequel of second part 2 of Fireworks Show. Oh, don't spoil it. Don't spoil it. Alright. What do we got here? Here it comes. Another cannonball launch. Are you entertained? Whoa! That's a good scream! That's a good scream! Ha 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 ha! Boom! 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 Ha 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 ha! Responding with lightning shots on the horizon, we respond with multiple fire bombs! Alright, 2 bombs with 1 stone. Boom, boom! Boom, 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 boom! Ha! I think Mother Nature's a little bit entertained tonight. This is how we do it in class in school. You can't teach it in history class, people. All right. What else do we have here? Another loading of the cannons? Nope. Oh, you call this nice? If you want nice, you should stay at home. What we do here is for entertainment of gloriousness.
Beautiful.
Are you guys liking all this?
Yeah, baby. All right.
Here comes another. I think I know what this one is. Boom! Another bomb. Load up to the cannons. Boom! 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 Ha! It rained here a little bit while ago before we had this whole setup, but it was worth it. Boom! 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 And who said we can't teach us the geometry? That's geometry class lesson here. All right, loading up more fire bombs. No, for the price of 3! Boom, boom, and there's screams! Screams! That is the sound of screams, of shrieks. Oh, we got all the bombs all loaded out to the heavens. The firebomb fireworks of heaven. How you guys doing?
We're good.
All right, so what do we do?
Here we go.
Oh. Now here's a little surprise that we didn't do this last year.
Nothing's happening.
Okay, so how does this device works?
Yeah. Yeah. Our show. Please close this window and wait for a while.
We're trying to do something with our new device here, so sit back and until things are set up.
Kristen, have you taped every bit of it?
Huh?
Have you taped it?
Oh, it's still recording. All right. Until we get like a issue settled with our new technician of our new device, which will be part of the finale. The show will still go on to these messages, folks. So I'm Hexagonalspy, the spy, and sign up till after these messages.